Hi there. Today's poem is called Body of Sound, and I wrote it about U2 after seeing them live in concert in Dublin in 2018 with my husband. I am a huge fan of U2. They're probably my favourite band ever, and when I listen to them, it's like a spiritual experience. So I'm really pleased that I wrote this poem, and yeah, this is for U2. Body of Sound. U2, Dublin, 9th of November 2018. And the drums make a song of our heartbeats, lead them to stronger rhythms. The bass is in our blood, deepens every present feeling. Guitar is our pleasure, strings work like muscles, override any music we might have believed before a man walked in grace, singing for us the gathered unheard, giving us voices we didn't know we possessed, the longest semi-breathe.